Chiliz value equivalent to $0.0760 a coin. The present reach, $0.0754. $0.0772. The earlier day close, $0.0772. The change was 0.0012. 1.55%. Opposite rates, United States dollars to CHZ. Chiliz value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Chiliz cost forecast for August 2023. At the outset cost at $0.077. Most extreme cost $0.083. Least cost $0.068. The normal for the month $0.076. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end $0.074. Change for August 3.9%. CHZ to United States dollars expectations for September 2023. In the first place cost at $0.074. Greatest cost $0.082. Least cost $0.065. The normal for the month $0.073. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end $0.071. Change for September 4.1%. Chiliz cost expectation for October 2023. Initially cost at $0.071. Greatest cost $0.078. Least cost $0.068. The normal for the month $0.073. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end $0.073. Change for October 2.8%. CHZ to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. In the first place cost at $0.073. Greatest cost $0.073. Least cost $0.057. The normal for the month $0.066. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.061. Change for November 16.4%. Chiliz cost expectation for December 2023. First and foremost cost at $0.061. Greatest cost $0.061. Least cost $0.047. The normal for the month $0.055. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.051. Change for December 16.4%. CHZ to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. At the outset cost at $0.051. Most extreme cost $0.058. Least cost $0.050. The normal for the month $0.053. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end $0.054. Change for January 5.9%. Chiliz cost expectation for February 2024. Initially cost at $0.054. Most extreme cost $0.054. Least cost $0.047. The normal for the month $0.051. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.050. Change for February 7.4%. CHZ to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. To start with cost at $0.050. Greatest cost $0.052. Least cost $0.046. The normal for the month $0.049. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.049. Change for spring 2.0%. Chiliz cost expectation for April 2024. At the outset cost at $0.049. Most extreme cost $0.061. Least cost $0.049. The normal for the month $0.054. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.057. Change for April 16.3%. CHZ to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. In the first place cost at $0.057. Greatest cost $0.057. Least cost $0.045. The normal for the month $0.052. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end $0.048. Change for May 15.8%. Chiliz cost expectation for June 2024. Initially cost at $0.048. Most extreme cost $0.048. Least cost $0.037. The normal for the month $0.043. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.040. change for June 16.7%. CHC to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. To start with, cost at $0.040, greatest cost $0.041, least cost $0.035. The normal for the month $0.039. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.038. Change for July 5.0%. Chiliz cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost, cost at $0.038. Greatest cost $0.044. Least cost $0.038. The normal for the month $0.040. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end $0.041. Change for August 7.9%. CHC to United States dollars expectations for September 2025. Before all else, cost at $0.030. Most extreme cost $0.037. Least cost $0.030. The normal for the month $0.033. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end $0.035. Change for September 16.7%. USD to CHC swapping scale equivalent to 13.1524 Chilizes per $1. The present reach 12.9499 to 13.2601. The earlier days nearby 12.9585. Change for now plus 0.1939. Plus 1.50%. United States dollars to CHC expectations for August 2023. First and foremost, cost at 12.99 Chilizes. Greatest cost 14.71. Least 12.05. The normal for the month 13.32. The United States dollars to CHC conjecture toward the month's end 13.51. Change for August 4.0%. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture for September 2023. At the outset, cost at 13.51 Chilizes. Most extreme cost 15.38. Least 12.20. The normal for the month 13.79. The United States dollars to CHC figure toward the month's end 14.08. Change for September 4.2%. United States dollars to CHC expectations for October 2023. Initially cost at 14.08 Chilizes. Most extreme cost 14.71. Least 12.82. The normal for the month 13.83. The United States dollars to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 13.70. Change for October 2.7%. Dollar to Chiliz gauge for November 2023. In the first place, cost at 13.70 Chilizes. Greatest cost 17.54. Least 13.70. The normal for the month 15.33. The United States dollars to CHC figure toward the month's end 16.39. Change for November 19.6%. United States dollars to CHC expectations for December 2023. Initially cost at 16.39 Chilizes. Most extreme cost 21.28. Least 16.39. The normal for the month 18.42. The United States dollars to CHC